Proactive business owners, have you ever felt like you're constantly explaining your prices, struggling just to stand out, or just working way too hard to convince customers to buy from you? If so, the problem isn't what you're selling, it's how you're positioning it. Now, this information here is for proactive business owners only. Leading with your why is the ultimate business game changer. When you start with what you do and then try to explain how you do it, customers might be interested, but they'll likely head right to the lowest common denominator, price. For the action takers who are ready to make a change, you need to start with your why you do it, why your potential customers will feel connected to you. The author of the book, Start With Why, Simon Sinek, he said on a popular TED Talk, "People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it." That's why two businesses selling the exact same thing can have completely different levels of success. The one that leads with purpose attracts customers who actually care, while the other just competes on price. So let me share an example. Now, this sounds like a perfectly fine way to share your business. You might say something like, "We have the best prices and fastest turnaround." And again, that sounds great, but what if you changed it to, "We believe great service should make life easier. That's why we focus on speed and value, so you get the best deal and receive your orders sooner than expected." Much more connection, much more emotionally driven. One is a transaction, the other is the start of a relationship. So for the action takers, here is your challenge. Take a look at how you introduce your business. Are you leading with what you do, or are you leading with why you do it? It's time to make one small shift this week. And here's the bonus. To take this challenge, you need to share what you do with someone, so make a new social media post, maybe reach out to a potential customer, or share why you're doing what you're doing at a networking event. That's the action we need to take this week. Now, if you need help making this shift, I've got you. Let's jump on a complimentary business alignment strategy call where we can fine-tune your message so you attract the right customers with ease. All you have to do is go to OSG.link/SVP to sign up. I believe your business should energize you, and when you lead with your why, success will follow. Let's make that shift happen.